Welcome to the world of biomedical engineering. Doctor or engineer? Why not be both? Become a biomedical engineer. Let us now see some frequently asked questions. What is biomedical engineering? What does a biomedical engineer do? Is that a part of engineering? Is that a recognized course? What does a biomedical engineer do? Is biomedical equals biotechnology? Let's get started. So, what is meant by biomedical engineering? Biomedical engineering is the application of the principles and problem-solving techniques of engineering to biology and medicine. What do biomedical engineers do? They design, develop, manufacture, test and calibrate medical equipment. They purchase, install and maintain medical equipment in hospital. They design artificial organs and artificial devices that replace body parts. Train clinicians on the proper use of the medical equipment. They design electrical circuits and softwares to run medical equipment. Is biotechnology equals biomedical? Biotechnology is the use of living systems and organisms to develop or make useful products. Biomedical broadly refers to the application of engineering and technology principles to the domain of living or biological systems. Now, let us look into the opportunities of biomedical engineering. Manufacturing, pharmaceutical industry, public health, government, graduate education, hospitals, rehabilitation, molecular biology industry, engineering firms. Your future is created by what you do today and not tomorrow. Hope you found your journey informative. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to click the bell icon for instant notifications. For more videos, stay glued to our channel Mystic Center.